Hello kids, how are you? Yes, this is Shipra and here again I am with my next DIY activity. So we all remember, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So I, Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you for our next DIY activity. So let me just quickly tell you what all things do we need. What we are going to make today is a paper cone. Yes, a beautiful paper cone we are going to make, and this you can use in any of your projects also. This is quite simple. Just follow the instructions and you can make it. So what we need, I have taken a yellow color sheet, which was an A4 sheet, and I have divided it into a half. Again, for this green color, what I have taken a green color A4 sheet, and again I have divided into, just divided that A4 sheet and I have cut it. This is what I need. I want very less of green color, a red color for the lips. Yes, so I've told you I need a yellow color A4 size sheet, half, a green color A4 size sheet, half, a small red color for the lips, and small white piece for the eyes, thick black sketch pen, and definitely a brown sketch pen. Definitely a brown sketch pen, kids. Glue and scissor. This is all what we need for this paper cone. What we are going to make, the paper cone. So we all love bhuttas, yes? Yes, they are very delicious. What we are going to do is we are just going to fold it like this, and approximately this portion, you can say approximately for about 2 centimeters, we are not going to draw anything. Otherwise, for rest, we will start drawing like this. So we will start drawing like this. So we just have to make those humps and bumps, or you can say the U's. Simple U you have to make. I am quickly making it. You can also follow the instructions. It's quite simple. I am simply making this simple U. And here I am leaving this much space. Again, I will start. We are just doing the overlapping or simple way. We are not looking to the same size and all. We are just doing the U thing on this without looking at the size, but we are not increasing the size too much. So just taking care that approximately the size of the cones are same. We are making it. So this is going to take little time, but that's fine. That's quite simple. You can easily make it. Just a simple U on this, kids. Taking care that this size is not exactly the same, but almost the same. So we are making those cones like this. So we are making the small cones, and then we will make the eyes and the face. So simple UU with the brown color sketch pen, taking care that little portion we are going to leave, as this will come in our folding. And if you have any confusion, you can do one thing in the beginning only. You can draw a line. So by this, you will get to know that till here you have to draw the cones. This will help you to stick to a proper line. It will definitely take few minutes. So we are just making the corn kernels. We are just about to finish this. Just taking care that you are making approximately of the same size. And yes, this is done. Now what we are going to do, we are going to apply glue here. This portion, and we make a folding of this. So simply by folding it like this in a form of a round size, not too huge, not too small, but we will give a round from here. Okay. Yes. So this is done. Somewhere like this. Make a, like we roll a newspaper, kids. It's exactly the same way. We will stick it from here like this. Like the way we stick our newspapers. And so press it nicely so that it sticks properly. This is done. We look for the center now. So this is the center. We'll make the eyes and the lips. So for the eyes, okay. I'm making a center like round like this, again a round like this, and we will cut the circles. So we can stick it like this, but we have to put a black dot inside. So you can change the shape of the eyes accordingly. So we stick it like this. Or the other way, or the other shape if you want to give to the eyes is, you can fold it into two halves. Like the one I have made this, I will show you this one also. Draw a circle oval like this, and then just color it this way. Same way we can do for the other one, but we are first cutting one and then we will color it, so that both the sizes of the eyes are exactly the same. So anyways, if you want to put it like a owl form, you can use the owl form, or if you want to do it this way, the way I have done it, you can do this way also. So this is done. Now with the help of the sketch pen, I'm drawing this eye also. Okay, this is done. And we have to make the lips. So for the lips, just draw a half C and a one more big half C. We will cut it like this. Is it visible, kids? If it's not, let me just draw it with a black pen. So the body is ready, and now the eyes and the lips are also ready. eyes and the lips are ready. Now we have to make the outer covering. So for the outer covering, what we are going to do, we are simply going to fold it like this. And we cut it like this. What we have done, we have just simply folded it like this and we have cut it like this. Not till the end, kids, just to a particular point. And we have done 4 cuttings. Again, from the center, we'll cut it again, this part. So this is now visible. This center part, we are just going to give it a fold like this. Like a collar. Just like a collar like this. And what we are going to do, we are going to stick this. We are not sticking the eyes because we need to look the center. Look at the center. Now I have pushed it like this. Let me just see my front now. Okay, yes. So my front is almost good enough. Now I will apply glue here. So I have applied glue here, kids. And you can stick it like this. Overlapping that, you can stick this one also nicely. Let it settle down for a few minutes. And this is done. Now this portion we will cut in a C form, just like this. Giving it a look of a leaf. Just do it randomly, it will come out fine. Same way, these also, just give it a cut like a V. Perfect. Stick, wait for it to stick nicely. This one also we can give a cut like a leaf. So this one also like a leaf. And simply like a leaf, we are going to give the cuts and we will give them a fold with the pencil. But before that, let us just see where we can stick our. So we are giving a fold with the pencils like this. With the pencil, we are giving a fold like this. Just roll it on your pencil and rotate it. Just see that it sticks properly because it has not stuck till now. Again, with the help of the pencil, we are giving a rotation, or you can simply bend it like this. So this is done. Now we need to put the eyes and the lips. I am applying glue on both the eyes. Like this, and I will look for the center. Okay, so approximately this is the center. So my eye should come here, one eye, and the other eye should come here. Let it settle down for a few minutes. It will take time to settle down because it is a circle where it will take time to stick. Now I will apply glue for the lips. I'm taking this outline portion inside so that it is not visible outside. And I have just applied glue and I am putting my lips here. So even I could have used these eyes. stick it properly, let it settle down. We'll again see what all things we need to see, if we need to give little more curls anywhere, or if we need to do the, okay, so for the curls, what I'm going to do again, I'm showing you, I will hold it like this, put my pencil inside and will fold it. So you can see the curls are visible. Just with the help of your pencil, roll it, roll it, roll it, and the curls are visible. This one you will just fold it like this. You want to give a cut here, you can give like this. Again, giving it a shape of a leaf. If you don't want to give it, that's completely fine. In my previous one, I have not done it, but in this one, I am doing it. So, your paper corn kernels are, corn is ready. The nice, tasty bhuttas we eat are ready, kids. So I hope the instructions were clear. It was quite easy. It's time to say bye-bye to Shipra. On behalf of Yellow Classes, I say bye-bye to you. Thank you for watching this video, and do stay tuned. We have more DIY activities coming up for you, because as we say, let's learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Bye, kids.